Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is the first animal is a zebra. This is a zebra. A zebra is a bird animal. This is a zebra. The next animal is a lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. Gorilla. This is gorilla. Gorilla is a bird animal. A camel. This is a camel. The next animal is alligator. This is alligator. The next one is a king crab. This is a king crab. Let's learn some sea animals' name. A sea turtle. Octopus. This is octopus. A dolphin. This is a dolphin. A hippopotamus. This is a